there is a gift. No, there is not. It's not a gift. It's a purchase. Let me show you one thing. After that, I think I would be doing continuously vlogging, motor vlogging. So for that, I got only this one option to have Insta 360 X4. It's already unboxed at the shop, but had little time to show the videos and all like that. What we get in this box? Nothing here. This is the main set. This is the main set. What you get over here? Lens cover already installed. See, there is a lens cover, both side. Those are mic. This one and this one is mic. This is for charging. You can open it like this. This is a charging port, C type. This is the battery. You can open it like this. Just opened. It has how much image? 2290 mAh, made in China. And there is a port for USB. Micro SD. I have installed 256 GB. Back to the port. If it is not installed, it will be getting red signal because it is not installed. This is a good indication. It is now installed. This is on off switch. We'll discuss this one later on. There's a cover over it. You can see this one is cover. Insta 360 X4. And I had a tempered glass over it. This is the tempered glass. They have installed it. Let's on it once. Single click, it will get on. This is the on indication. Also you can find it on indication. There's a lot of setting inside it. As because of 254 GB, I am getting 9999 plus. This is infinity, you can say, right, for that. This camera setup. Again, I am talking about this one. This switch is for gallery. See, those are the gallery. This is my home photo. I just clicked for the night vision. How the quality goes. Quality is minimalistic. मोटा मोटी चल जाएगा. We had a video over Secret Santa at our office. Doing R&D. Doing R&D. Doing R&D. Gesturing with the hands and all. This is our HOD. He's also doing some R&D. This is a shop. Manish ji was with me. This was the R&D picture. कुछ चीज़ नया है तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा समझने में. Anyhow, again there, this is the first picture with that picture. See, no, it's a video, I think. No, it's a picture. You have to click this one for the good picture. So we will be having this is the shop salesman, this is the owner's brother. They are good people. I will note the store name. Again, for the camera setup, as every people knows about this one, so I don't need to show everything over this. This is the video, and we have to change the resolution for getting, if you are doing it 360. Where is the 360? Where is the 360? Check resolution. The resolution for, okay, you will get here the resolution. The video resolution. Yeah, have to find it out, and I'm getting कहीं तो है, कुछ तो है. Okay, let's see once more. Loop recording. अच्छा, you get here 360. Video. You get the 360. He is my son. Are you happy? Yes. We'll be doing vlogging, and he asked me to open his channel. Hey. He's a shy a bit, but he's a good boy. बदमाश तो सभी होते हैं. A lot of resolution. You have till 8K resolution with 30 frame rate. They get heated, so better to have 5.7K or 5.7K. For good resolution, you can go with 8K. That's it for this time. For record starting, you have to press this one. For the stop, you can stop it over here. There's a lot of functions also. From here you get the settings and all. These are the settings. You get everything over here. For that you can Google it. Even I will also Google or YouTube it for the all tutorial. Thanks for being on the channel. We'll soon be having a good videos with good resolution. Tata. Insta 360. Think bold. We are going bold a bit. Here you get something excited things over here, like this is the back side. Wait. You got the case over here. With the case you get the charging and USB. It support both data transferring direct with the laptop. Here is the cloth. I didn't open it yet because I didn't get it necessary to open now. We'll check it. There's nothing else. As you get some user manual. Okay, silica gel. I had. Okay, that's it. More details you can find it on Google or YouTube. Everything fit and fine. We'll be having blush with the videos and all. So stay tuned on my channel for the upcoming videos with good qualities and sound. Thank you.